Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to update macOS to the latest version. First, let's open System Settings. Just click the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen, then select System Settings. Usually you'll see a notification right here showing how many updates are available. Next, go to General and click on Software Update. It'll say Checking for Updates to see what's available. If there is an update, you'll see the new macOS version along with the download size. You'll have two options, Update Tonight and Update Now. If you choose Update Tonight, your Mac will use your local time zone to automatically download and install the update overnight. Just make sure your Mac is connected to Wi-Fi and plugged into power, especially if you're on a MacBook. This is super convenient, so you don't have to wait around. But if you want it done right away, just hit Update Now. You can also check your current version down below in the Installed section to see what you're upgrading from. Now keep in mind that the latest macOS version might not always show up for you. It really depends on your Mac's hardware. If you're using an older generation Mac, Apple might not support the newest updates for it. Also, unlike iPhones where you generally can't go back after an update, macOS is a bit more flexible. If you upgrade and want to downgrade later, you can still do it, though it does require a bit of technical knowledge. Alright, let's click Update Now to get started. Click Agree to accept Apple's terms and conditions. Then, type in your login password and hit OK. Your Mac will start downloading the update. This usually takes anywhere from 15 to 40 minutes, depending on the file size and your internet speed. Once it's downloaded and prepped, a prompt will pop up asking if you want to restart. If you don't do anything, it'll automatically restart in about a minute. But we'll just click Restart to do it right now. After it restarts, just let your Mac do its thing for the rest of the process. It might actually reboot one or two more times on its own. This part usually takes another 5 to 15 minutes. Finally, once the update is completely finished, the welcome screen will pop up, which means the installation was a success. Now, just head back into System Settings to double check. You'll see your macOS is updated, along with a message saying, "Your Mac is up to date." Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.